Hi guys, welcome to China's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my signature goat meat pepper soup. So sit back and relax while I take you through the process in a bit. Let me start by introducing to you the spices that I'll be using to cook the pepper soup. These basically are local spices. I don't like to cook my pepper soup with the pepper soup spice sold in the market. So over here is the uziza seeds. This one is called Arima in my local market. I live in the eastern part of Nigeria, just in case you're wondering. This is the Uda. This is the Ehu. This is the Ehuru. It's called Calabash nutmeg in English. I don't know what this spice is called, but it was introduced to me by the vendor when I went to buy some pepper soup spices. But this is what it looks like. So this is the quantity of the spices that I'll be using to prepare the pepper soup. I'm actually making it in large quantity, so feel free to readjust the quantity if you're making more or less. Just make sure you don't overdo the spices so that you don't end up ruining the taste of the pepper soup. I'll just blend this with a blender, or you can use a mortar if you don't have a blender. I washed the goat meat properly with some salt. Over here I have the assorted parts of the goat. I have the heart, the liver, the kidney, and I also have the intestines of the goat. I'm going to salt and wash thoroughly as well. After washing, I transfer the meat into the pot. And I season with some onions, some seasoning cubes, some salt, some pepper, little ginger and garlic, and I stir to properly combine the spices. I add some water, just enough to cover the meat. I add some ground crayfish as well. And then I cover and bring to boil. Right now, I add the blended local spices. At this point, you would want to taste your pepper soup for salt or pepper so that you can readjust to your taste. Mine is okay, so I'm going to continue cooking. It doesn't take long for the goat's meat to cook properly. Now, this has been cooking for about 30 minutes and it is properly cooked. Finally, I add little utazi leaves and scent leaves. You can skip this process if you don't like using these leaves. So at this point, your goat meat pepper soup is ready. But if you're like me, just go ahead and add a little vegetable into your goat meat. I cover and allow to simmer for a minute. And then the goat meat pepper soup is ready. If you found this video helpful, please give me a huge thumbs up, share and drop a nice comment. And do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.